My responsibility is looking at the overall strategic plan for the sales department, managing the sales leaders in the field, and ultimately to remove obstacles for the sales team so they can be more successful, ease their path of success, maybe is the way I'd put that. We have it listed, 9 points of why the product is so good, right? I mean, that's the core, that's the ribeye steak that we deliver, that everybody, this is how you explain the product. But at the end of the day, really what it comes down to is peace of mind. Because we sell something that is absolutely critical in the time that you need it, and this thing will work. It'll work every time, without fail, guaranteed for life. To me, that's peace of mind. My name is Rick Saar. I am the Director of Sales for AKE Safety Equipment.